Hey everyone, it's Joseph at the Peachtree District Championship. I'm joined by Team 1002, the CircuitRunners, and their robot Entropy. They've been doing absolutely phenomenal here. They're currently ranked third, going as captain of the second line to playoffs. Here to tell us more about it are Neil, Bahir, Nikin, and Ian. Stay tuned. Starting us off, Neil's going to talk a little bit about their intake system.
On our first shaft, we have 4-inch thrifty compliant wheels, and then we have 1-inch squish wheels, both powered by two X60s, and our drop down is powered by another X60. Okay. Okay. Our intake is mounted by with two quarter 20 bolts on each side, so it's really like hot swappable. You just take out those 2 quarter 20s, this spline pulley, and then 3 bolts, so 10 bolts in total, and then the intake can come off, and then you can put on a spare. So in between matches, if our intake breaks, we can just put on our spare and then fix up the one that was previously on the robot.
Cool stuff. Thanks for showing us.
So after the bolts get intaked over the bumper, we have it go into our indenter. So our indenter heavily utilizes 3D printed parts and commercial parts in order to just make it as light as possible. So we have polycarbonate tubes covered in silicone purchased from WCP. And then because of availability issues and also weight, we decided on using 3D printed tube rollers that have a hex in the center. This allows us to transmit torque, and also because we don't have stubs, we can extend our head shaft a little bit further, allowing us to make smaller rollers with just regular 2-inch Colsons, or not Colsons, stealth wheels. And then also, in order to make sure our intake deploys evenly, we have this really long jack shaft running right through the center, and it's supported by bearings inbuilt to the indenter. It's powered by one Kraken X44 buried beneath our electronics corner. And that powers all 5 rollers.
Before we get to our next segment, we'd like to thank the following. True competitors know that every second counts. That's why Kettering University challenges you to dive in right away as a first-year student. Participating in robotics programs helps Kettering students secure a valuable co-op. Whatever your interests, Kettering gives you more space to work faster and win faster. Learn more at kettering.edu/first. Osh Cut is the premier metal cutting service for first teams. No minimum order, options for same-day turnaround, 3D tube laser cutting, and with nearly 500 variations of metal in stock and ready to cut. Just upload a file and claim your 50% off discount when you scan the QR code or go to funroboticsnetwork.com/OSHCUT.
We designed a robot to be as modular as possible, where every subsystem was designed separately and then integrated together in our CAD. So if we want to change, let's say, the shooter, we can take the shooter off with just 4 bolts, of course, as long as we unwire it, and then we can change whatever we need on the shooter, stick it back on the robot, and we can have that done extremely efficiently and quickly, so that we can make design changes and iterations as fast as possible.
If I could for a second, could you come take a look at this? What made you guys go with the herringbone gears, and have those worked out well for you guys?
We initially had non-herringbone gears, but the problem is our hood would be able to slide side to side, and that could have hurt our performance. And so instead we swapped the herringbone gears because they prevent us from having side-to-side interference, and they still have the same they still perform the exact same as the other gears. They just give us a bit more integrity, which helps us along.
That's awesome. Thanks. Passing it off, Ian will tell us more about the software.
So moving on to software, we have 2 cameras, one right here and one back here. They both run photon vision. And with this, whenever it sees an April tag on the field, it updates its position. And then with that position, it changes the hood angle and the shooter RPM based on how far it is from the hub. And then with that, we can get high accuracy in our shots. And again, with that position, whenever our driver moves to like the neutral zone or the other aligned zone, it changes where the robot will turn when he presses the shooting button, so we can pass balls into our zone and then score more when we're active. And also on the dashboard, we have a bunch of overrides here. Take a look. Like, for example, FMS sends who won autonomous, and with that, we can turn off the shooter so that we don't accidentally shoot balls into the hub when it's inactive. And then in case something goes wrong, we have overrides here to choose who won Auton, and then also ignore if the hub is inactive or active in case something happens.
That's really cool. And I think you guys, have one of the most consistent autonomous here. Anything that helped you guys lock that in?
Yeah, we tested a lot in our shop, and we hit the trench a lot and broke it when testing. But doing that, we were able to refine like where to move the robot during autonomous and make sure it didn't hit the trench and break anything. And then we shoot really close to the trench, so it's a lot faster and we can get those 2 cycles in.
Really cool. Thanks for sharing. Thank you guys so much for your time, and good luck in playoffs. Thank you so much for tuning in, and that's out from DCH District.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell to stay up to date on future fun videos. Osh Cut is the premier metal cutting service for first teams. No minimum order, options for same-day turnaround, 3D tube laser cutting, and with nearly 500 variations of metal in stock and ready to cut. Just upload a file and claim your 50% off discount when you scan the QR code or go to funroboticsnetwork.com/OSHCUT. True competitors know that every second counts. That's why Kettering University challenges you to dive in right away as a first-year student. Participating in robotics programs helps Kettering students secure a valuable co-op. Whatever your interests, Kettering gives you more space to work faster and win faster. Learn more at kettering.edu/first.